In this video we are going to see assignment operators. So what is the basic assignment operator we have? It is a equal symbol. So basic assignment operator is a equal. What equals do? Example, what equals do? Let if I declare int a equals to 5, what the meaning is, it will assign the right side of value to left side. This will do the operation like this equal performs. It will assign means nothing but a give. It will assign or give the right side value to left side. Same do the program over here. If I declare int a equals to 5, when I place a here, then what will be the output? Obviously 5. What is doing? It is assigning the value of the 5 to the right side to left side, right? Basic operator. Now let us move to some advanced thing, some advanced concept. Like if I write like this, like I have declared here only, I have declared the part here. If I write like this, a equals to a plus 2, then what the thing is going to happen? Like 5 plus 2, which is a 7. Again 7 will copying into the a only, right? So do the same thing over here. Like here, after this I am writing like this, a equals to a plus 2 and end with the semicolon. What is the value? It is a 7. When I run here, when I print the value a, we are going to get the value of a is 7, right? Now this work we can do like this, and there is one shortcut. Like shortcut is nothing but a plus equals to 2, which is nothing but this one. Okay, I am removing all this. I am writing a plus equals to 2. Now when I run the program, same thing we are going to get 7. All this, instead of all this, you can simply write like this. So it will made a facility, a shortcut like assignment and arithmetic operators combination shortcut. So what are the arithmetic operators we have? We have plus, minus, multiplication, division. In the division again we have two parts. One will give the quotient, one will give the remainder, right? So after this, write the equals to. This is nothing but a shortcut way of writing. So here pass the values like a 2. Let it give all the same things, like a minus equals to 2, a into equals to 2, a divided equals to 2, a modulus equals to 2, right? So if a value is 5, same, if a value is 5, what will be the output? This is a shortcut like a equals to a plus 2. Suppose a equals to 5 means this will be output as 7, right? This is nothing but a equals to a minus 2, which is nothing but 5 minus 2, which is 3. A equals to a into 2, 5 into 2, which is 10, and this is a equals to a by 2, which is nothing but 2. A equals to a modulus 2, which is nothing but remainder will be the 1. Okay, let's do the practical over here. We have done with the addition. Now I am removing here and replacing with the minus. Then the output will be the obviously 3. When I changing here to the multiplication, so when I run the program, it is nothing but a 10. Okay, when I use a division operator, and when I run the program, obviously it will be a 2. Again, and let us change it to the modulus like percentage symbol. When I run, the remainder will be the 1. It is taking some time. Wait for a moment. The output will be the 1. Okay, this is how the combinational operators work. This is a shortcut way that Java provides to us. Okay, I think you got the idea on what is the assignment operators and the shortcut way of writing. If you learned anything in the video, please do a like, support by subscribing. Thank you for watching this.